What's up, Throdle? Do you want to check out one of the coolest supercar experiences here in Tokyo? Well, keep on watching, as today, you're in for a ride. Hey, I'm Nadine, the co-founder of Throdle, and today I'm in Tokyo with my buddy Romen.
Hey, I'm Romen, CEO of Tokyo Supercars. Today I'm going to take you on a supercar tour around the city. We're in Tokyo, we're going to go to Rainbow Bridge, and we're going to go to Tatsumi.
Sweet!
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Yeah, so the City Drive is our, I guess, our most popular experience. It allows you to drive at least two supercars in one experience, and we do a couple of pit stops around the city. So one is Tokyo Tower, which is that big kind of Eiffel Tower looking building, which apparently is used for communication. So we stop there, we get a photo like looking up, it's really cool. We go over Rainbow Bridge, which is awesome. It's like at night especially, it's like beautiful views of the city. Get to Tatsumi as well as Daikokufuto, which are like the iconic Japanese car scene locations. And then just gangs of supercar or non-supercar owners will kind of gather, hang out and just geek out over cars. So it's like the car geek hangout zone. Okay. So we're going to take you to a few of those spots, get some cool photos, and yeah, just sit down, have a coffee and hang out.
So how many cars do you have in your fleet?
So we started the business with 8 cars originally. We're now up to 19, and that's excluding some of our partners. So we have partnerships with some dealerships. So we have another kind of 5 to 10 cars in Tokyo and in Osaka from dealers as well. So around almost 30 in total, actually.
Okay.
But 19 we can access at any time.
And you've brought 4 of them with you today?
Yes, we have 4 cars today.
Okay. So as part of the drive, you said you head to Tatsumi, you get some beautiful views of the city behind you, which you do. Then you swap into cars, and then where do you go?
Yeah, usually after Tatsumi, we'll have another pit stop here. We'll change drivers into different cars, and then we head to the Hilton Tokyo Bay. So we're going to Disney, and they give us great service and access, so our clients can kind of feel like celebrities for the night, rocking up to a hotel in a supercar. They get executive service to the restaurant and like complimentary drinks, that kind of stuff.
Well, let's do it. Let's go finish this tour. So tell me a little bit about your experiences. What can you offer people if they came to Tokyo?
Sure, so we have quite a wide range of experiences. We have a city drive, which we kind of experienced today. Drive in the countryside, there's the Hakone Turnpike, which is really famous, and we also have the circuit. We have pro drivers that can help you, that do like on the circuit lessons.
Nice.
So they can either be tailing or they can be in front. We have like communication devices to help you do that. We do corporate events as well. So pretty much anything you want to do in a supercar, we can provide it. Anniversaries, birthdays, proposals we've had, helicopters, boats. Sorry, there's a lot.
Awesome. I'm really glad to do that. The next time I got to come back, I'm going for the yacht.
You've got to do it, yeah.
So thanks for showing me around Tokyo today. Had an awesome time. How can people keep in touch with you?
So yeah, firstly, check us out on the Throdle app. We've got a ton of cool experiences that we run in the city, in the countryside, on the circuit. And we also have a membership club. So if you want to drive supercars in Tokyo, let us know.
Awesome. So please subscribe subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get notified when we put up new content. Because I'm about to go see a boutique car dealership and you are not going to want to miss that in Tokyo. So thanks for watching and join us next time as Throdle's fueling connections and driving experiences.
Cool. Get lunch?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.